Hello, it's Yvette. In this video, I'll show you how to update WordPress as well as your WordPress theme. Here I am again on the dashboard, and you can clearly see a message here that WordPress 6.9.1 is available. So that would be the most current version of WordPress, and the request is to update now. So when you see that your WordPress site needs updating, do it as soon as you can to avoid any issues. So to update, click on Please Update Now. You'll see that I do have a program that provides backup to my site. So this is something that you would have to look into because every host might be different. I would click here before I update, but I'm going to dismiss this because this site is going to be redone. So I will be resetting the site, and I'll make a video for that as well. Again, I want to stress that it's important to back up your site if you're worried at all that an update might break it. So let's update. Click on the blue button and give it some time to update. It should not take very long. It might take longer in my case because it's been a while, but actually that wasn't very bad. Now you'll notice up here, this area shows you how many updates are required, and there's still an update showing. So you can click on that and you'll get information as to what needs updating. So we've already updated WordPress, so that's good. My plugins are up to date. What needs updating now is the theme. So this is the theme I'm using, and this is the updated version. So I would click to select that theme. Update theme. Okay, so that was a short and sweet update. So let's go back to the dashboard, and now all updates are done. That is how you update the theme and WordPress. I hope that helped.